In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert a low-quality video into 4K HDR using CapCut on PC, so just follow these steps carefully. Now, the first thing you want to do is open CapCut PC and drag your video onto the timeline. Now, once the video is on the timeline, click on Adjustment and choose Custom Adjustment. Now, after that, go to Curves and adjust the curves just like this to add contrast and depth. Now, once that's done, make sure the adjustment layer covers the entire video. Now next, go to Effects. Now under Effects, search for Blur and add it to the timeline and extend it so it applies to the full video. Now once that's done, export the video. Now after exporting, delete the adjustment layer and blur effect from the timeline. Now import the exported video back into CapCut and drag it to the timeline. Now select the video and go to the Blend menu. Now choose Color Burn and lower the opacity to around 30. Now next, export a white background, import it into CapCut and place it above your video. Now select the white layer, go to Blend and choose Overlay. Now lower the opacity slightly until it looks natural. Now select your main video and start adjusting hue, saturation, brightness, contrast, highlights, shadows, sharpness, and clarity. Now, if you want even better results, you can also fine-tune the HSL settings. Now make sure all adjustments are extended to cover the entire video. Now, once everything looks good, go ahead and export the video in 4K resolution. And that's it! Your 4K HDR video is now ready using CapCut PC. If this helped you out, please subscribe. It really helps me out as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.